Hi everyone and welcome back to It's a Twin Thing. Hope you all had a really great weekend. Today's topic is burping. So there's a bit of a difference between burping a premature baby to a full-term baby, as the premature babies are so much smaller. So sometimes there's, you can do different techniques. So for a prem baby, there's a few things you can do. So one of them is, so naturally you can pop them on your shoulder and sort of just tap them slightly to burp them. You can also hold them sort of around the neckline, but just gently, and sort of sway them. So like a rocking boat type thing, and that should help sort of, and just support their back and just sort of hold them in position, just slightly underneath. So sort of under here. And just sort of rock them slowly and to the side either way, and that can help burp them. You can pop babies on their tummy on your lap and sort of just slowly pat their backs. There is one other thing that I had a friend of mine suggest to me, which I was sort of a bit iffy about because I wasn't sure whether or not it would allow the baby to throw up. But basically, if a baby is struggling to burp, what you can do is lie them flat on their back on your lap for no more than 20 seconds. So even after 10 seconds, just lie them flat and then pick them up over your shoulder and burp them, and it should bring up the burp. If the baby tends to be one that tends to vomit a fair bit, I probably wouldn't recommend doing that. But if the babies tend to just need a bit of a burp, that tended to work for us. Also going for a walk with them upright, and just sort of the different motion can help them burp. And I naturally, so with our children, at times they would struggle to burp, at times they were really easy to burp, depending on, I don't even know what would cause the difference, but that was how they were. But always we tended to try and get them burped before they would go down to sleep, because they would have a restless or unsettled, they wouldn't settle to sleep if they were feeling agitated and hadn't gotten all their burps out. We also found with burping, sometimes they would have a feed and then, half an hour later they would burp. Like, it wouldn't be an instant thing. That's not to say that they wouldn't go down, but like often we would pop them down for a nap and we'd pick them up and they would naturally burp. So it was a delay type thing. But if you are trying to pop your baby down and finding that they're not settling, or they're not, not going to sleep, it could be purely that they have a burp inside, or that they're, agitated in their guts. So maybe just pick them up and take them for a bit of a walk, see if they can burp, and then try and pop them down again. So there's a few different techniques with burping. Like I said, some babies are harder to burp than others. Some will burp really easily. Premature babies tend to be a little bit different from full-term babies. So if you have any questions in regards to burping, feel free to contact me. And tomorrow I'm going to be talking about nappy rash. So tune in and have a great day, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Cheers.